Right, the model menu out to the side is going to be something that you'll find an extremely useful tool. It allows you to hover through each object you've created and to either get rid of something or remove part of that if needed. If I wanted to go back in to make the original cylinder that I started with longer, I could right click, go to edit feature, and I originally only had it 1 inch long. If I wanted to, I could come back in and make that 1/2 inch, and it changes that for us. If I decided that I wanted to get rid of one of the features, such as my second sketch that I did, I could right click, hit delete. It's going to confirm that I want to get rid of both the extrusion and my original sketch if I do want to. I can hit OK, and then I'm left with the items that were in the original sketch. If I wanted to go back in and change the size of the original sketch, I could also do that by going in and hitting Edit Sketch. I could look at the dimensions of this original circle, which was just under 3/4 of an inch. But let's say I wanted to go in and say, make it a 2-inch circle. I can change that dimension. It fixes my original sketch. And once I hit Finish Sketch, it's going to change everything accordingly with that new size.